ابھی آپ کو بتائیں اسلام آباد میں ترجمان دفتر خارجہ ممتاز زہرہ بلوچ کی ہفتہ وار بریفنگ جاری ہے. آپ کو براہ راست لیے چلتے ہیں.
On the verdict in 2021 Dasu terrorist attack, we have taken note of the judgment and highlighted the proactive investigation, prosecution and judgment in this case, which has once again demonstrated Pakistan's abiding commitment to counter terrorism. We once again extend deepest condolences to the victims' families and remain committed to the safety and security of Chinese workers, projects and institutions in Pakistan, and believe that ironclad Pakistan-China all-weather strategic cooperative partnership will never be undermined by hostile forces. You may have also seen our remarks regarding Indian media reports quoting Director General IAEA that the firing of BrahMos nuclear-capable missile into Pakistani territory from India was not a cause of any specific concern for IAEA. We have termed this report as a disingenuous attempt by the Indian-sponsored media to absolve India of its irresponsible nuclear behavior by directing this question at the Director General of IAEA. We believe that DG IAEA's statement should have been qualified by stating that IAEA has no mandate on such matters. But the Director General's response cannot be purposely misinterpreted to distrivialize the incident of a nuclear-capable BrahMos missile fire with grave implications for regional and global security. India needs to explain several repeated incidents of nuclear and radioactive material theft and illicit trafficking that are more relevant to the IAEA mandate. These critical questions, which remain unanswered, should continue to be a concern to the international community. Coming to the situation in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan wishes to remind the world that the only durable solution to the Jammu and Kashmir dispute lies in holding a free and impartial plebiscite as espoused in relevant UN Security Council resolutions to enable the people of Kashmir to exercise their right of self-determination. The world must speak with one voice to urge India to desist from altering the demographics of IIOJK through coercion and by unilateral and illegal means. It must immediately restore the special status of IIOJK and undo all subsequent legal and administrative measures that aim to the Kashmiri people of their democratic majority and their ethnic identity. Pakistan will always extend its full support to the Kashmiri people in their just struggle for freedom from 75 years of brutal Indian oppression. That concludes my written remarks, and now we will move to Q&A questions.
آپ کو بتائیں کہ اسلام آباد میں ترجمان دفتر خارجہ ممتاز زہرہ بلوچ کی ہفتہ وار بریفنگ جاری ہے. ان کا کہنا تھا کہ وزیر اعظم نے UN جنرل سیکرٹری اور سعودی ولی عہد سے ملاقاتیں کی ہیں.